Let's eat, guys. Happy 4th of July. Happy Independence Day, USA. Hi, guys. Let's eat, guys. This one is the mashed potato. And don't come here, huh? Salisbury stick. This is good. Put Salisbury stick over here in the mashed potato. Of course, rice is light. This is grits, baby. Grits. The grits. That is the last grits. And of course, mix vegetable. I like this kind of mixed vegetable by carrots, beans, string beans, corn, peas. That's so yummy. Bon appetit, guys. Okay. Very colorful. This is a lot. I don't know if I finish up this. Because our breakfast is late na eh. 12 na done breakfast. And now is 4 p.m. This is our lunch. Twice a day lang kami nakain, guys. Sa Pinas 6 times a day. Oh my goodness nila. I don't believe it, guys. I don't carry to eat too much, guys. Look, kung pumunta dito, nakita sa ano. Nakita sa ano, sa video. I think the enter, guys, when I'm open the door, the enter coming here inside. That's it, guys. Today is Independence Day. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Today is Independence Day. July 4, 1776. 1776, the father of the country declared Independence Day from England. Yeah. That is the one question, guys, if you apply a US citizenship. One of the questions. Flag Day, July 4th, right? Flag Day? Independence Day. What is Flag Day? July 4th, no, yeah. Flag Day. Before, guy, I always learning about that guy. Because that is one of the question if you apply US citizenship. You must know everything, the US, you mean the US history. Because the officer asking you, huy, sabad-sabad man. Sorry, guys. I have one fly guy inside the house. I think they enter the house when I open the door. I'm so full na, guys. I'm not here. Sleep over. Have sleep over. I still like one slice of Salisbury. 5 slice man na. We ate one tray of my husband. Mountain Dew. Bye guys, and see you to the next eating. Bye.